Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So we did have a pretty big spike reversal last month at the candle close, as you can see. I am actually still very bullish on gold, and I am a big believer that gold is going to go up to at least one of these higher fibs, like the 2250, and potentially even a lot higher than that. It looks like, according to Elliot wave, we're in a wave 5, but this honestly could turn into a much bigger uptrend. So I am definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly, I think it's very clear that this is an uptrend right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe this is an ABC. I think there's a good chance this is a 1 and this is a 2, and we're actually in a wave 3, and the wave 3 is not even over. And potentially it's going to go up quite a bit further to finish off a wave 3. So until proven otherwise, what's proven otherwise means like a break of structure to the downside. I believe we're in a wave 3, and I am definitely going to primarily be still look for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, we have been going down for the last few days, as you can see, but I am still looking at this move down as possibly a correction to the last wave up. I'm looking for a Fibonacci bounce. I'm looking for an impulsive move up on the shorter time frames, and especially a break of structure will help to prove to me that we are going back up and that we are still in an uptrend. Like I said, this big spike right here, I'm not really too concerned about. I think it's just because it broke all-time highs and that it bounced off a couple of Fibonacci levels. I believe that this is nothing more than a pullback and that we are in a wave 3 and it will continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like it's a 1, 2, 3, and it's in a wave 4. Now, this may not be a wave 4. It could just be a subdivision of a much bigger uptrend. So either way, I am definitely looking for a Fibonacci bounce and a break of structure to the upside. But actually, until I get this Fibonacci bounce and a break of structure, I would primarily, especially if you're like a 1 hour time frame and under, I would be looking for shorts because it possibly could go down to one of these lower fib levels and it could even go further down. So I do believe that it is going to bounce. I do believe it is going to break structure, but like I said, it could possibly drift down further before it does that. So until we get proof that this correction is over, you probably should be still looking for shorts on shorter time frames if you are a short time frame trader. So, like I said, we are definitely still making lower lows, lower highs. I mean, this is high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high right there. Looks like it's a wave A. This is 3 waves up. Looks like it's a wave B. We may still be going down. It may actually still be in a wave C. That's why I say that we should still be looking for shorts on the sort of time frames. It does look like it could continue to drift down to even one of these lower fib levels before we get that Fibonacci bounce, before we get that break of structure. And if I do see this picture right here, then I will definitely stop looking for shorts and I will start looking for longs again, especially based on what I see on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.